Hello, lovely and beautiful people. Today we have a very wonderful problem that I found, and I think we should try our hands on this problem. It is an exponential function which is in fraction form. So we're going to try it out. I've not tried it out before. So we're going to break this down individually. First of all, I will break down this first term, 5 raised to power 2x squared. 5 raised to power 2x squared. So I would like to break down the exponential with a base of 5. So we have 5 raised to power 2. Now using the multiplication law, we'll have 5 raised to power 2x squared. Okay, now, oh, so wonderful, because I'm seeing something popping up here. So if we have 5 raised to power 2, we know that is 25. So we'll say 25 raised to power x squared. And then remember, we have a denominator which is 25 raised to power x. So we have that all set. So if we substitute this back into the numerator, we will have 25 raised to power x squared all over 25 raised to power x, just like in the question, equal to 625. Remember, 625 is a square of 25. That is, 25 times 25 would give us 625. So we will say 25 squared. So now remember, we have a fraction here. So how are we going to tackle this now? We will say we have a common numerator and a common denominator. So we're going to apply our division law of indices. Remember the division law of indices. The division law states that a raised to power m all over a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power what? M minus n. So we're going to apply this division law into this fraction exponent. So we will say 25 raised to power x squared minus x equal to 25 raised to power 2. So remember another law I mentioned in one of my videos, the law of congruency. That law actually means that when the base of an equation is equal, the powers will also be equal. Then they are congruent. Then you have this 3 equality sign. So that cancels out this base, giving us x squared minus x equal to 2. Okay, so if we move 2 to the other side, we'll have x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So this already is a quadratic equation. It's already a quadratic equation. Okay, so we have this equation. We'll write it down here again, which is x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so we're going to look for two factors of 2, which we could add to get minus 1. Two factors of 2, which when we multiply, we will get 2, and when we add, we will get minus 1. Remember, minus 1 has a coefficient, minus x has a coefficient of minus 1. So, let's try x squared. Okay. What factors would that be? We'll say, okay, minus 2x plus x. Okay? Minus 2x plus x will give us minus 2x plus x will give us minus x. Okay? Then if we multiply the coefficients, which is minus 2 times 1, we will have minus 2. So we found our factors, which is x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. If you want to know how to find these factors, just go back to a video where I solved quadratic equations using the factor method. So we're going to factorize this. Break it down. First of all, x squared minus 2x plus, I've also put this in the bracket, x minus 2 equal to 0. So we break this down further. If we divide through by x, we bring x out of the bracket. X squared over x gives us x. Minus 2x over x gives us minus 2. Plus, what is here? We have an invisible 1 in front of this bracket already. So our final factors will be x plus 1, bracket x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 equal to 0. So x plus 1, the value of x will be minus 1. So if we have x minus 2 equal to 0, the value of x will be equal to 2. So we've gotten our values for x. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. God bless you. Have a lovely evening.
Confidence, so much confidence in you. Got confidence, confidence.